All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to a round of coffee and questions. I'm Merlin, the home handyman's helper. I'm going to show you a few bargains here that are on Amazon leading up and into the holidays that you might want to buy. So let's get started. Here we go. Okay, so this is the Borah wood organizer, and you can see here in the picture the price has dropped to $44.99. Now, it's a pretty good bargain if you need something for organizing lumber, but you could use it other ways too. Let me show you a couple of pictures. All right, now you also can get plywood and make shelves going across this. I mean, if you don't want to use it just for a lumber rack, and that would come in handy in a shop too. All right, now I know I put this in my past videos, but you're not going to beat this price, I don't think. It's $69.99. You know, it's one of these holiday sale things, and you can see it was marked down from 120. Now I have this. This is one of the most handy things in the world, and we put up some recipes just to create like a collection of our favorites. So, I mean, look at the Home Handyman's link. You can check it out. This makes dinner, I mean, rapidly. Hard-boiled eggs, 4 minutes. I mean, on and on. This thing is so handy when it comes to cooking. It's worth considering even as a gift. Now, if you have a room or you want a gift idea for somebody and it's not a big room, let's just call it small, getting into like a medium size. This is a great deal from Samsung right here. It's at $147.99 down from $200. Okay, NETAC has a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. $14.95. I mean, this is a good deal. I mean, if you could use one or if you know of somebody that could. Or how about a bathroom scale? I mean, you could get one of these as a Christmas gift idea, and this thing communicates and tells you all kinds of stuff directly to your cell phone. You can click on the link below and you can read the description farther. But this is a pretty good deal at $29.97 for what it does. And while we're on the topic of cable cutting, Roku right here. This is the complete little kit that you get. Click in the description below. The price has dropped down to, I believe, $27 right now. It's a great Christmas gift idea, or if you need it for yourself. Okay, and of course you're going to get a lot of Amazon products on sale, but always look to make sure it's going to arrive by Christmas like it says here in the green. But this is the Fire HD 10.1-inch tablet. Now it's a good bargain at $139. It's marked down from $190 basically, but if you know somebody that could use it, this is a great deal. And of course, you got your Echo Dot at $24.99. You got the Fire Stick, which is easy to install, at $39.99. I have it in the bedroom. This thing works fantastic. So if you're into cable cutting and you need something for one of the bedrooms, this is an easy fix and very easy to install. And I got the tablet down below where it's marked down here to 109, and all the links are below, but let's keep moving. Okay, and we're going to conclude here, but I wanted to show you the DeWalt table saw, the job site one. Now I have this. It's really handy, you know, out in the shop, and it's got a multitude of things it can do. You can read in the description below by clicking on the link. I think this is a little bit cheaper than you're going to get at Home Depot at $374 if it's something that you're considering as a gift, or if you just wanted it for yourself. So if it's something you've been looking forward to getting, you might want to consider this price. Okay, folks, I'm Merlin. I'm the Home Handyman's Helper. I hope you click subscribe. If you know of a better deal, of course, drop it below. These are just kind of quick ideas, you know, going into Christmas that you might want to think about. Or if you're looking for one for yourself ahead of time, some of this stuff is still a good bargain. I don't know how long the sales will be going on for. So put it in your wish basket on Amazon or whatever you need to do to lock the deal up before the prices reverse. All right, you folks have a great day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.